everyone, welcome to my course on cloud platform integration. So if you are not aware about that what is this, so I should be very clear about this that it is actually a SAP product. Okay, so this is basically available on business technology platform, that is a cloud platform of SAP. This facility is actually available on SAP as a name of integration shoot. So in this course we will be seeing that what is cloud platform integration and how we can leverage it. So first of all, you might be wondering that what is CPI. If you are working in SAP domain, or if you are also in non-SAP domain, then you might have observed that in any ecosystem there is not all systems are SAP systems, or not all systems are of same type. Okay, we can say that. So the cloud platform integration is a solution for integrating different systems, like whether it is a SAP system or non-SAP system, whether it is a cloud system, whether it is a on-premise system. So this is actually an integration solution which integrates two different kind or same kind of system. Suppose that you are working for any project, and in that project there are several kind of systems, like some is Oracle system and another one is SAP system, and Oracle system and SAP system wants to share some data between them. So for that you have to integrate those systems. Okay, so basically SAP provides this facility as the name of integration suite, and inside that we have a cloud platform integration. So using this you can integrate both a system. Using that integration they can actually communicate between them, and they can send data, send a transfer message, or any kind of communication they can do. Okay, so now you might be clear about what is CPI. So it is repeating this, it is basically an integration solution uh, for communicating, establishing communication between two systems. Okay, so now coming that why should we choose CPI, why not other integration solution? Okay, so uh, coming to this topic, there are several challenges in integration. Okay, like if you are going for integrating two systems, you might face several challenges and you have to take care of some uh, challenges. Okay, so the first challenge is like data security and compliance. So if we are sending data from any system, like one system to another system on the internet, using the internet, then data security is a major challenge. You have to secure your data, like you can't expose your data to any public network, because there might be attacks on your system and your data might be stolen. Okay, so that will be a huge problem. So like in any system, what we do that first we encrypt the data and then we transfer it, and then at the receiver system it is getting decrypted. Okay, the encrypted data is getting decrypted, and then it is used for processing, like whatever kind of thing is required with that data, that is actually done. Okay, so CPI actually provides full data security. Okay, and talking about compliance, like compliance is nothing but like storing the logs. Okay, so suppose you are developing any integration solution, so and after the development, like at the end some audit will happen. Okay, so in that audit your integration solution should have the complete log that what all things had been performed with this. Okay, so this is actually compliance, like you would be able to, like your integration solution would be able to show the logs, like what all things had happened with this iflow. So iflow, we will be seeing that what is iflow, that it's an integration flow. And master data synchronization, coming to master data synchronization, so it is also a major challenge, like in any ecosystem like that there would be different kind of systems, and certainly there would be master data. Okay, like master data, like uh, material, uh, like different kind of master data you can have in a system. Okay, so that master data should be synchronized with every other systems, because transaction data are created based on the master data only, right? So if your master data wouldn't be synchronized, then you might face the problem in creating the transaction data. Okay, so like, of course, master data is something which is not frequently created. It is created at one times, and transaction data are those data like which are getting created on a daily basis, like order number, receipt number. This kind of data are like transaction data. Okay, so master data synchronization is important because based on that data only like other kind of data will be created, right? So CPI actually provides a very good facility in synchronizing the master data. Okay, so that's why we should choose CPI. Okay, and coming to two major things like time to implement and cost to implement. Okay, so like any integration solution, if you are choosing, then your integration solution would be like time effective and cost effective also. Okay, so talking about CPI, that is cloud platform integration provided by SAP, so that actually takes a very less time to implement, and it is also cost effective like compared to other. If you check the other integration solution, so it is also cost effective also. Okay, and now coming to the another thing, that is upgrade. So suppose you have established integration between system A and system B. Okay, and suppose system A get upgraded, or there might be a possibility that system A or B, any system get upgraded. So your integration solution would be that much robust that it would be adapting the upgrade. Okay, like the design of your integration solution should not be affected by the upgrade, right? This there could not be the scenario, like there should not be the scenario like if the system gets upgraded, then you have to change the design of the integration flow also. So that wouldn't be actually accepted in the real time scenario. Or suppose if some upgrade came for your integration flow also, then also the system might not be affected. So CPI is actually capable in handling those upgrades or adapting those upgrades. Okay, now coming to monitoring. Suppose sending a message from system A to system B, so I should be able to see that what I am actually transferring and what is actually getting transferred. So that is called actually monitoring in CPI. So CPI provides monitoring facility from end to end monitoring also it provides, and like general kind of monitoring also it provides. Like we will see in the further videos like how we can monitor that what data we are sending and what data is actually being sent, so that we can debug or we can mm, make it better. So CPI provides monitoring facility also. And coming to next three, that is non SAP system, customized SAP or cloud integration. So these three are actually a same kind of points. Like in any ecosystem, I have already told that there might not be the scenario, like it is very rare that all the systems are SAP systems. So there might be possibility, not possibility, that is actually the scenario that there will be definitely some other systems also like non SAP systems, and there might be a scenario that some SAP systems are not fully SAP, that are customized. Okay, so the integration solution would be able to communicate with non SAP system, customized SAP, or even cloud systems also, that would be able to communicate. Okay, so CPI is actually capable in that it can handle non SAP systems, customized SAP system, and cloud systems also. And coming to the support, like if there might be uh, use case where you are developing an integration flow that needs actually daily basis of monitoring and support. So for that you have to dedicate one team for providing the support to the integration flow. So that team like should not be too much big. Okay, so CPI does not requires those kind of a big team for the support. Depending upon the requirement, you can dedicate a small team that can support the integration flow. Now coming to the end-to-end monitoring, so it is basically like suppose you are sending data from one system and that is going to another, and from there it is going to any other system. So that is end-to-end monitoring, and like I'm sending data from system A and that is going to system B, and then from system B it is getting processed, and then it is getting transferred to system C. So CPI provides the facility that you can monitor the data or masses, anything you are transferring from one system to another and from another to next one. Whatever you will be transferring, you will be able to monitor that. Okay. And integration technology. So integration technology that CPI is using is actually Apache Camel. So Apache Camel is actually a very good and proven integration solution or framework, you can say integration framework. So actually CPI is developed on Apache Camel only, like the backend of the CPI is Apache Camel. So it is using a very good and like proven technology, that is Apache Camel. Okay. Now coming to the next, so how we can create the CPI tenant. Okay. So actually CPI, I have already told that you can use a free trial account, that is free trial account of business technology platform that is provided by SAP, and inside that you can also create a free tenant of integration suite, and you can leverage this CPI technology. Okay. So in our next video we will see that how we can create a free trial account on BTP, that is business technology. Can assign different roles and requirement for the CPI. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys, we will meet in next video.